A significant construction milestone has now been achieved with the end of tunnel boring operations in June. Construction on the rest of the alignment continues to ramp up. We are now hard at work constructing all 3 subway stations, as well as conducting utility work along 4th Street south of Bryant, and the removal of the 2 tunnel boring machines in North Beach. Tunneling operations are now being shifted from excavation to removing the 2 tunnel boring machines and transitioning the 4th Street launch box site to construct the future tunnel portal. This involves cleaning the tunnels, removing the conveyor system, and any other unnecessary utilities. Simultaneously, work is being done to construct the 5 tunnel cross passages. These passages are excavated between the 2 tunnels for ventilation, access, and safety. In order to facilitate the future surface portion of the alignment, as well as the surface level station at 4th and Brannan, utility work is currently underway on 4th Street south of Bryant. The contractor is locating existing utilities and will be performing some utility relocation operations. Construction of underground station walls continues at our 3 subway station sites. At the future Yerba Buena Moscone station, these subsurface walls help align excavation equipment. Long rebar cages are lowered into excavated shafts and filled with concrete, creating a continuous wall around the underground structure. A new temporary mural has also been recently installed by the San Francisco Arts Commission on the Folsom Street side of the worksite. Now that the ground improvement operations for tunneling have ended, workers have restored the roadway on 4th Street just south of Market. They have also filled the 90-foot deep ground improvement shaft at Ellis and Stockton, as well as the Green Street ground improvement shaft behind the Bank of America in North Beach. In Union Square, underground station walls are also being constructed. Unlike Yerba Buena Moscone and Chinatown, however, these walls are comprised of interlocking cylindrical concrete piles which are reinforced with steel I-beams, some as long as 130 feet. A beam is carefully lowered into place for each excavated pile shaft, and the rest of the void is filled with concrete. In Chinatown, operations similar to those at the Yerba Buena Moscone station are ongoing. Workers excavate segments of underground wall one at a time, lower rebar cages, and pour concrete before moving on to the next section. The tunnel boring machine retrieval shaft in North Beach was finished earlier this year, and the 2 tunnel boring machines arrived shortly after. The contractor allowed groundwater to flood the shaft for TBM Mom Chung, who holed through on June 2nd. This was done to equalize force on the TBM's cutter head, as it is under pressure while moving through the soil. The shaft was then drained, and the second TBM, Big Alma, was allowed to break through in the open air on June 11th. Both machines had excavated and constructed nearly 8,500 feet of tunnel through their journey under downtown San Francisco. Next, both machines will be disassembled and removed from the site to be reused elsewhere. Thank you for watching.